We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about Blendtec Designer Series Blender. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Blendtec Designer Series Blender, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Highlight features or overview summary. The Designer Series introduces the new generation of touchscreen Blendtec blenders. Any Designer Series blender uses all the power and performance that made Blendtec the choice of blending professionals, and combined it with an amazing modern design with advanced functionality, taking Blendtec to a new level in performance blending. No more guesswork. The Designer Series features 6 pre-programmed custom cycles: smoothie, ice cream, whole juice, hot soup, and clean, plus a +10 button. This exclusive blend cycle technology creates the perfect blends with the touch of a button. You now have total control of your blending speed literally at your fingertip. You can select any speed or slide your finger left to right to increase or decrease speed. Alongside the slider bar is the stop and pulse controls, essential to use and manage. Every Blendtec is professional grade with some of the most powerful motors in the industry, one of the longest warranties in the business. Shipped with the Blendtec blunt blade, 10x stronger than competitor blades, delivering smooth blends without the cuts and pokes. Blendtec offers one of the most advanced blenders you can buy. Engineered and manufactured at our headquarters in Orem, Utah. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.